Remove the decorative panels on both sides. Remove the display frame. Remove the air conditioner control frame. Unscrew the display screen to fix it. Unscrew the air conditioner control panel. Fixing screw. Remove the display. Remove the air conditioner control panel. Install our air conditioner screen base. Fixing base screw. Original car air conditioner face frame buckle. Remove the buckle is installed in our company behind the air conditioner screen. Transfer power cord. The display power cord goes to both connect air conditioner screen power cord. Install the air conditioner screen. A power cord comes out. UX cable pair plug. Audio box pair plug in armrest. USB port. Display screen docking power cord. Loads line card slot. Audio cable quad G antenna card slot. Audio cable docking microphone cable. GPS antenna quad G antenna and GPS antenna. Put it on the passenger's seat location. Power cord. You don't need to plug this plug in. Quad G antenna GPS antenna. Original car adds line plus siloing interface card slot cable and microphone cable. Put the microphone on the main driver next to pillar. Apply off the steering wheel cover. Transfer to our control line. Male and female head pair. Finish up the filaments. Install the display. Let's take a look at the Holy effect.